Top 4 iPod transfer tools. It can be daunting to decide whether to choose this over that in terms of iPod transfer software. It really can make you mad, especially when these tools promise almost similar things to you. We have compiled the tools in details for you so you can learn to sort them out easily. Top 1. Wondershare Tunes Go Retro. Good things are, you can restore music library from iPod. It is very intuitive. It has PC backup enabled. Both Windows and Mac versions are available. The unique con? It is iTunes dependent. Top 2. CopyTrans. Some pros are that is one-click feature for easy iPod transfer. Only import the files you need without duplicating issue. Save tracks, videos, and tags for backups. Some cons are that this ad doesn't allow apps to be added. Also, there's not a version that works with Macintosh. Top 3. iRip. The ability to save the entire library, simple feature to import and export files, transfer MP3, MP4, text files are good things with this software. Some cons are that the free version is limited and it takes slower time to transfer. Top 4. iCopybot. Pros. You can transfer files, including the playlist, share contents with family and friends, protect iPod against unwanted sync, and the only con is that the trial version has limited features. Well, now go on and have fun with these iPod transfer tools.